Hey guys, this is Shogun Chat 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So I'm doing this short video analyzing the entry on the Euro US dollar. I did a video about how this high is meant to be the last move, okay? Before the news, we saw the noise that I was saying there. That was the initial entry point that we gave. I couldn't take this trade because of the noise that came through. You can see how the price broke higher, broke lower, then created this interim high because that high is equal to this high. Okay, then we saw a break, and this is our setup here. Very, for those that have been following my videos, you will know this now. Okay, a break, last posted high. Let's label it just for the sake of this video. Okay, last posted high. Break. Is that a valid break? Yes, that candle. Oops. That candle gave us a valid break to the upside. Is there a follow through? No. So we have here. God. We have no follow through. I'm looking for that. This candle did not give us a follow through. No follow through. Okay. So then we have to be patient. We're looking for structural bar, which is this one here, momentum bar, which is this one here, then a close below momentum bar is the entry. I actually took this trade on the MetaTrader and the trading view here on my phone because I was picking the boys up from school. So that was the momentum bar, and this here is the bar that closed below the momentum bar, and that's our entry, and your stop loss will come above there. Okay, that is the setup. This is a reversal trade. Okay, you have to be careful with reversal trade. That's why we have to always make sure all the checklist checks themselves out. If it doesn't check out, we're not going to take the trade. If it does check out, this type of trade tends to be profitable because people can call them counter trend. I don't see it that way because we have information. Okay, it's not, we are not just blindly selling the high, and we have what we're looking for, and once we see it 7 out of 10 times, they're going to pay us and their risk is very low, and that's why we take trades like this from the high. And also we love taking the trade in the direction of the trend because 90% of the time that will pay you also if you know what you're looking for after a secondary trend or a reversal. Okay, I hope this is helpful. It's just a follow up to the video I did pre um, non-farm payroll, and hopefully this thing will now go in the direction that we are intending to go to. So the first target will be a break here, which is the, let me just find the value now, 1.1. Actually put it on the, let me just look at it now. I'm just gonna read it out again. Let's put it on the chart. Key levels 1.17379. I think 317379. That's the one there. Yeah, 390379. Okay, because that is the second fractal back. If you look at this from here, okay, we are now trading the major highs and low. So the small, you can dismiss the small one. The intermediate is the one that you're looking at. So, and the second fractal back at the minimum is here. That's your minimum target. But based on the sequence, how the price has been forming, this here has to be broken in order for this chart to be balanced. Okay, currently this is the higher low of the major wave. It is not yet a structure, so it has to become a structure for this high to become a high. That might sound like gibberish to some people, but trust me, that's what normally happens in the market. We can't get it right all the time, but eventually that will happen. And when it happens, then the buyers can decide to buy again, or the sellers take over completely and push the price to the downside. Okay, so that's a quick one. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. My name is Shagun Chat 247, and I hope to see you in the next video. God bless and trade safe.